Welcome to Baker Beach.
Away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.
Dave's area.
And we'll chase.
Hi folks, this is my setup is this pole by American Eagle Claw.
And we'll fly.
That's 1.5 jig with a Gulp mullet, 2-inch sandworms. The best part of this area is they just drop right there in this corner. Yeah, so you can cast easier and you don't get wet. Look at my shoes. Bam. Regular shoe, folks. Hi folks, we're here at Baker Beach. Not much cloudy fishing right now. Every 200-300 yards there's a one fisherman. Hi folks, I had to change tactics. Now I'm using a Carolina rig. I had to change it. I had up and down Texas rig earlier, but I had to change it, folks. Nothing. I didn't get skunk. Oh man, first one of the day, man. No skunk at all. Yep, second fish, smaller than the last one. Catch and release. Oh, that's good enough. Yeah, I caught me a crab on Carolina rig. Oh, that's a slender crab, it's not dunggeness. That's over 4 inches already. Perfect. Yeah, okay. Male crab. Male crab. Dunggeness. I have to throw this crab away. It's not 5 3/4. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Mighty. Got a pincher too. It's not. It's only a 35. You need a 3/4 more to be legal. Oops. Swim. Swim. Come on, man. Oh yeah, I guess good enough. Oh yes. That's the Golden Gate. Oh man, I see the best spot. China Beach. Ooh, look at that view. Golden Gate. Yeah, look at all that muscle. Yeah, real good muscle. Old bait, no fish. Hold up, muscle. Yeah, covered. Look at that bird.